Before you can shop and check out any product on Jumia online store, you need to create Jumia account. Therefore, if you have found any product on Jumia online store and you want to order it, the first step you have to take is to create a Jumia account. Now, let me show you how you can create Jumia account. It is fast, easy, and simple. First, you have to visit www.jumia.com.ng. For Nigerians, if you are from another country, search for the Jumia official website for your country on Google and visit it. If you visited the right page, you will meet a page similar to the one on the screen. Next, click on the user icon, which brings you to a new page, where you will have to enter your email address or phone number. If the email address or phone number you entered has been used to register another Jumia account, the system will request you to log in. This means that you cannot register two Jumia accounts with the same email address or phone number. When you enter your correct email address or phone number, click on Continue button. Next step lets you choose whether you want to secure the new Jumia account you are creating with passkeys. Allowing passkeys implies that you want to use your biometrics, Face ID, or Windows Hello to log in to your Jumia account. To secure your account with passkeys, click on Create a Passkey button, or you click on Skip for Now button to skip that step. Note that you can still add the passkey, if you want, after you have created your Jumia account. Next step lets you choose password to protect your account from hackers. To make your account safe, you need a strong password. However, it must be what you can always remember. When you enter whatever you chose as your password, click on Continue button. The next step lets you enter your personal details. The personal details required at this point are your first name, last name, and phone number. Enter your correct personal details and click on Continue button. Next step, still on personal details, you have to enter your gender and birth date and then tick the read and consented to the terms and conditions. I recommend that you read Jumia terms and conditions before you consent to it. After all that, click on Continue button. Finally, your Jumia account is created. In case your phone number was used by someone else to create a Jumia account, Jumia will give you an option to reclaim the phone number. This happens while you are creating your Jumia account. When you click on the Claim Phone Number button, Jumia will send you a 4-digit OTP, one-time password, which you will enter in the column provided for it, and your phone number will be retrieved and your Jumia account created. Now, your Jumia account is created and you can go ahead to shop and check out any product on Jumia online store, irrespective of your country. If this video from Nigeria News 247 answered your question on how to create Jumia account, kindly follow us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and turning on notification. We have more interesting tutorial guides for you. See you in the next video.